Oops, wrong app. We're going to do reading app tutorial lightning round. So what we are doing here is how to follow students on the reading app. Okay, we are not updating right now. Thank you. I'll do that later. Danke. Danke. Go away. Frog Island. Jump to the Frog Island. Oh, it's so laggy today. There we go. Pick a book. I'm going to go to A level. I want new students. Basically, the first book they're given to read when they're a new sign-up is Numbers. I'm going to, at the top, click Good Works. I'm going to pop over to here and hit Latest. I'm going to pop over here and this student's profile picture, the thing I can cover up with my bubble here, I'm going to tap that. This is their profile. I'm going to hit the heart. That's how you follow them. Then I'm going to come down here and spam their books with a bunch of likes. See that? They will get a lot of shells and they will like that. Do the next one. Heart. Like. There's some lag going on here. Next one. Always hit the picture. Hit the picture, hit the heart. Hit the picture, hit the art. If you hit anywhere but on the picture, you will get something else. So just for example, if I hit the name over here instead of the picture, I will get their book. If you hit this, you're favoriting their book. You are not following them. You must hit the picture and follow them. Okay? Yeah, that's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Woohoo! Okay? Lightning round.